To convert currency on the PayPal app, follow these steps. 1. Open the PayPal app. Launch the PayPal app on your phone and log in with your credentials. 2. Access Wallet. Tap on the wallet icon at the bottom of the screen. 3. Choose the currency to convert. Scroll down to your PayPal balance and tap the balance you want to convert. If you have multiple currencies, select the currency you wish to convert from. 4. Convert currency. Tap the 3 dots menu next to the currency balance. Select Convert Currency from the options. 5. Select the currency to convert to. Choose the currency you want to convert your balance into, and then tap Next. 6. Review and confirm. Enter the amount you want to convert and tap Next. Review the exchange rate and fees. PayPal takes a small fee for conversions. Tap Convert Now to finalize the transaction. 7. Transaction complete. The converted amount will be reflected in your PayPal balance under the new currency.